How to fix this app can't run in your Windows problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your start button and then search for Windows Security. Now simply go to App and Browser Control. Now in this reputation-based protection, you will see reputation-based protection settings that is highlighted in blue color. Simply click on it. And then the next step is you will see an option check apps and files. If this is toggled on, simply toggle off, confirm yes, and also this toggle this phishing protection off. Confirm yes, and you will be done. So that's it. Also make sure to disable this and done. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.